together. Really gross.
It's just accidental. Did you get Tony? Did you get Tony?
No.
No, hey. They said no.
Come on, Emily. Why won't you go to the winter ball with me?
I already told you, Kyle, I have a date.
We'll cancel. I made big plans.
Like last year's big plans for the McDonald's drive-thru.
So?
That ice cream machine didn't even work.
It never does.
So, how'd you do on Mr. Berry's chemistry final?
I think like really bad. If I get bad grades, my parents will ground me for Christmas break.
Yeah, mine too.
Hey everybody!
Oh, hey, Sam.
Hey, we should ask Mr. Cutler if we could play dodgeball instead of weightlifting today.
We should, because I hate weightlifting and I never do anything in this class.
Then why are you even in this class?
Because I want to be fit, doy. Hey, what's this?
I think that's Mr. Cutler's.
Oh, it's Mr. Cutler's iPod!
You think you should be touching that, Sam?
Oh, Mr. Cutler's iPod. Oh, he doesn't care. He just uses this so we can listen to music in weight room.
Say, where is Mr. Cutler anyway?
Late, as usual.
Oh, Mr. Cutler. Oh, look! Common Night 23 sound effects.
What's that?
It looks like a collection of different sound effects.
Oh, look! Look! Funny fart sounds! Mr. Cutler! Mr. Cutler and his funny fart sounds!
We should listen to some Korn or Limp Bizkit or something different.
I like it when it's on shuffle. Me too.
Sorry, I'm late.
Oh, hey, here he is.
What are you all doing? Let's get ready for class.
Hey,
Whatever.
Mr. Cutler, is it alright if today we play dodgeball instead of weightlift?
No, okay? Maybe Friday because it'll be the last day before Christmas break, all right? Okay? Let's get ready.
Hey, Mr. Cutler, will you play funny fart sounds when you go into your office?
No, Sam, not right now, okay? Now get ready for class.
Okay, Mr. Cutler.
I gotta start deleting this shit.
30 minutes later.
Hey, just give me a spot? Sure.
Hey, you want to act like you're something? Sure.
You're pumping it. Get out!
One more. No, you got it.
Shake it. All right. there's 10 minutes left, so finish whatever lift you are doing, okay?
Hey, Mr. Cutler! Play 44 sounds!
No, Sam, finish what you're doing.
Oh, come on, please! Just once!
All right, Sam, if it makes you satisfied, just one time, okay?
Mr. Cutler! Oh, please just play it one more time!
Sam, get back to lifting, okay?
Oh, please, Mr. Cutler, just play it one more time!
Okay, Sam, this is the last time ever.
Mr. Cutler, it's 44 sounds!
All right, everyone, class is over. Have a good day.
Mr. Cutler!
Okay, Sam, it's time to get to your next class. Okay?
Oh, okay, Mr. Cutler, I just gotta correct myself.
Okay, you good now?
Good.
Okay, good. Now get to your next class.
Okay, Mr. Cutler.
I think I've opened up the gates of hell.
Woo!